Discover the remarkable story of Irene of Athens, the pioneering Byzantine empress. Her legacy showcases a blend of political acumen and religious devotion that shaped an empire. Irene of Athens was a trailblazer as the first woman to rule the Byzantine Empire in her own right. Her reign marks a significant turning point in both the political and religious history of Byzantium. Born around 752 AD, Irene of Athens ascended to power as empress consort before becoming the sole ruler of the Byzantine Empire from 797 to 802 AD. Notably, she convened the Second Council of Nicaea in 787, effectively restoring the veneration of icons, which had been previously banned during the period of iconoclasm. This religious restoration positioned Irene as a pivotal figure in the Orthodox Church, and her influence extended beyond religious realms. She also navigated complex political landscapes, even negotiating potential marriage alliances with Charlemagne. However, her reign faced challenges, culminating in her deposition in 802. Immerse yourself in the fascinating lives of historical figures like Irene of Athens. Follow our channel for more captivating stories that shape the world.